Hey there, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. You had spoke with my business partner Natalie about receiving one of our custom videos. The reason why we wanted to send this to you was to show you how to bring in more traffic to your website organically, not having to pay for ads and pay per click. So the three things I want to show you are backlinks, content, and citations. So if we come over here to Google and we search for Mold Remediation Orlando, first thing we see here is the map pack. And below that is the organic section. So a main ranking factor here in this area is going to be through backlinking. And all a backlink is just one website linking to another website. So we see here FP Restoration is your top competitor. So we can plug them in to see what they have going on. Okay, so we see they have 193 referring domains or other websites, giving them over 1,000 backlinks. When we plug you in, we see that you don't have any data, which is totally normal for people who have never done any type of SEO. So don't be alarmed by this. So what would need to happen in your case is you would need to go out and get maybe 12, 1,300 backlinks pointing back at your website because you don't want to just match them, you want to pass them up. So one way to do that would be to go through all of their backlinks and see which sites you can get a link from as well. Another thing with backlinking is you want to be mindful of the types of links you're getting. You want relevant, trustworthy links. So relevant meaning the links are coming from other similar niches, so other remediation sites pointing back at you. And that's going to be a lot more effective than just a random link from, say, an automotive industry or the medical industry or something like that. So relevant to your niche is what I'm saying. Another thing with trustworthy links is a lot of links are spammy. So you want to make sure you're getting trustworthy ones. And a great way to tell that is by looking at these metrics. So this represents the power and trust of a site. Ideally, they're going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So 20 and 20 would be good. 20 and 30 would be good. So these are not bad links to get. And then once you went through and collected what you can, of course, go to another competitor who's also ranking and go grab their links as well. So taking a look at some keywords just to show you the amount of search volume going on, we'll go ahead and just type in Orlando. So we see here Orlando water damage is a keyword. It's searched roughly about 100 times a month. Orlando water damage restoration, 250 times a month. Water damage Orlando, 200. Mold remediation, 200. Let's see. Water damage restoration, 150. Let's see if there's any more for mold. We've got a mold removal for 70. Mold remediation for 60. So there's some smaller ones as well, but you definitely want to get found for these top ones because that's a lot of searches that you're missing out on when you're not being found for them. And just to kind of show you the average cost per click. So for Orlando water damage, it's roughly about $50 a click. And of course, a click doesn't mean a lead. They could just leave your website and never call you. So that's why you definitely want to be found organically for these searches. Coming back to your website. So in regards to content, I'm referring to all of the words on your website. So in Google's eyes, content is king. The more you have, the better. And so we recommend about 1,500 to 2,500 words of keyword-rich content on this homepage, and then lots of content on your back pages as well. So all of these to have the proper keywords with lots of content. And I see you are a multi-location company, so of course, getting the relevant keywords for those locations as well. So then if we jump back to Google, in regards to citations, citations are a main ranking factor here in the map pack. So all a citation is just a business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. Typically, whenever I'm looking at how many citations any one business has, it's never more than 50 to 75 tops. So we always recommend to get 350 so you can just beat out your competition by a landslide. So If you have a Google My Business listing, you want to also be very diligent with the reviews, because if you did land in the top three, you're competing with 52 5-star reviews, 139, 161. So be reaching out to all your past clients and future clients, making sure you're getting those really great reviews. So, just to do a recap for you, you want to get trustworthy, relevant links pointing back at your website to show Google you are the authority in your niche and you deserve to be at the top of that first page. You want to get lots and lots of content on your website, about 1,500 to 2,500 words of keyword rich content on the site, and lots of content on those back pages as well. And then you want to get your Google My Business listing fully optimized and then get those citations added so you can start ranking in the top three. All right, that's all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach back out to us. Again, my name is Stephanie. I'm with Peerless Strategies, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.